You think you've got what it takes?
Ladies and gentlemen, ready for countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life. Electric word life that means forever. That's my long time. But I'm here to tell you, it's something else.
2 decades have shaped the world.
Man, this is some of the greatest stuff I've ever heard. Ooh.
These go to 11.
All right, going to take a few laps in the VF Supercar. I haven't had any warm-up. This is the first lap I've done, and it's going to be ugly. Very ugly. And we'll see what we got.
Give us a few clean laps to get our fuel numbers.
Good luck with that. A few clean laps. I don't know about that much. Let's see if we get that about right. Yeah, that looks like it's right. It's been a while. I'm in the VF Commodore. A few laps to get used to it. Oh, goodness me. Tell I'm a bit skittish. Oh. Whoa! Oh! Didn't quite turn in there. Yeah, this is not live. I'm going to do a whoa! Round she goes. Locked up the brakes big time. Need to adjust that, I think. Oh, no. Let's have a look at that. Goodness me. This is hard work. Already. Okay. Oh. All right, let's take a look at what do we got? Garage. Whew. Chassis. Oh, see what we got. Toe in. Yeah, it's just a baseline setup, unfortunately. Is that the best iRacing can do, is it? That's unbelievable. Okay, so where's Dibby dibby do. Right front, left front. Where's the... Oh, there we go. Brake pressure bias. That's what I was looking for. I'm going to go more to the front. 55. That's as far as it'll go. I like more front brake, but it's all good. Okay. Nah. Missed that line completely.
Slow down. You got a penalty for cutting the cord.
Yes, I get it. Completely missed the line through there. And
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
Well, at least I didn't tag the wall that time. Oh, it's been shocking lap times. I'm all over the place. Whoa, round she goes. Got the wheels on the slippery stuff. And the reason I'm... did it again. The reason I'm using Oran Park is because that's the first round. There's a shakedown race at Alton Park. No, I've done it again. I've really got to fix my line through there. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is ugly. This is really ugly. Might pull the brakes back a little bit. Pull them back to about 54. Try and stop that lock up. Shocking. really got to turn in on a better line. Completely cut that. Lock up there. Okay. Yeah, just got to pull those brakes back a little. Just try and stop that lock up being so severe. I was pretty hard on the brake pedal there, so that was completely on the way I was braking, not the settings. And the reason for the VF is because Hardcore Gaming start a series, V8 Supercar series, in February, early February, and it's the original V8s, the Gen 2s, and the Gen 3. So the originals being the VF and the FG. Yeah, that's shocking. I went through there really well the first time, and then the 2 laps after that, I've completely missed the line. So a lot of practice to do. I'm getting that corner better. Yeah, a little bit too much jandle, as Scott McLaughlin would say. Yeah, really too much pedal on that one, so yeah. All right, that's fine. No worries. I'll keep at it. We'll see how we go.